So what is blockchain, and why is it important for our company? One major benefit of blockchain is creating a secure and trusted environment for us to transfer digital property to our clients without the time and cost constraints of a middleman. It will also allow us to take new forms of payment, like Bitcoin, which require a blockchain system. We can have confidence in the blockchain system because it was created with similar strict protocols as financial institutions. So how does it work? You might be surprised at how simple it is. In a blockchain, a block is all the information about a transaction: date, time, the digital assets transferred, the amount paid, etc. But instead of one record on one computer or database, blocks in a blockchain get shared across many computers. These nodes store a copy of the block, which provides redundancy in case one computer or database fails. Each block is coded to fit a specific part of the chain, so it can never be changed, falsified, or deleted. A hack or edit would be exposed immediately. Additionally, you can look up that record anytime. It's fully transparent. Having a lot of copies of a file that can't be changed and can always be accessed means that our transactions will be secure forever. Blockchain will bring more efficiencies to our digital asset transactions and give us more security against internal errors and external threats. More information will be available soon.